What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm here with Chris, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about the Tacomabeast headlights. I've had these on for about a year now, and the reason I have Chris here with me and my other good friend behind the camera is because we're going to be doing a review on them. We're going to let you guys know if they're worth it. We're going to let you guys know our thoughts, pricing, and just how the whole installation process is, if it's worth it or not. So if you guys are interested in these headlights or even their new brand headlights that they have out right now, just make sure to watch this video. It's going to be informative to you guys. Not sure how long it's going to be, but let's go ahead and get into the video and let's do it. Yeah. Hello.
Go for it.
Hello.
Whoa. Deeper voice.
All right, you guys. I'm just kidding. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with all the pros. You want to go ahead and start with this?
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and start. All right, so honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the pros. So the pros, like he was stating, they are a much better looking headlight over the OEM style, especially knowing that it comes with the DRL, which I'll show you guys in a minute, what that is and how it works and stuff. But just an overall look, it looks good.
More aggressive.
More aggressive. It gives the truck, especially at night, a more, like he said, aggressive look, and it looks cool. Honestly, at night, it really does.
Even during the day, because I mean, for people, the guys that don't like chrome, it's just all murdered out, so it just looks better in that sense too.
Yeah. So if you guys don't like chrome, it's an option. Another thing on that, they also have a new model out, which I'll link it down below if you guys do want to check them out. I also like that one. It's pretty cool. I won't touch too much on it because that's not what the video's about. But if you want to check it out, it's in the description box below. So another pro on these things, what do you think?
I would have to say the turn signals are a little bit better, a little bit cooler looking. It's a sequential turn signal. So it's not just a flashing light, it's the whole DRL lit up. And then, or actually no, I think it's just this top part, isn't it? Something
like that. I think, yeah, it goes like up to here or something.
Oh, that's weird.
Something like that.
Why doesn't it just do the top then?
I don't know. I don't remember. We'll look at it. As far as installation, it's not hard, but it is time consuming. And if you're afraid to break something, I probably wouldn't do it, honestly.
Yeah, because you got to take like half your bumper off.
You have to take the grill off. You have to take the side skirt off, like he said, the bumper. So it's a long process to install these, but it's not hard. It's just, you got to just give yourself the whole day, honestly. Take your time, right?
Yeah.
You don't want to break anything.
I would say just to remove the parts to get to the headlight, to take the headlight off, it'll probably take a good 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours if you don't even know what you're doing yet.
Exactly.
If you've done it before, it'll probably take you like maybe like half an hour to an hour maybe.
I think it took me like an hour, honestly.
Yeah, well, I mean, you do all the DIYs. I mean,
but yeah, so the average person, like he said, probably 2-3 hours. When you install this, it is almost like an OEM, honestly. Like it's, you know, usually when you go aftermarket parts, they don't fit correctly. To me, these fit
flawlessly.
Yeah, they fit how they should. I didn't really have problems with it. I've heard and I've had emails of people telling me that theirs didn't fit. Just check your screws. You probably mounted it not correctly or something. I know I'm gonna touch on cons next, but for me, you guys know I'm a big Tacomabeast fan. So to me, I truly like these, honestly. I'm trying to be as unbiased as I can. That's also another reason why I have my friend here, so he can give you an honest opinion on it, because I know I'm just going to say good things about it, because I freaking love them. On the cons, they're not bad cons, because you can fix these cons, but they are cons that shouldn't have been there to begin with, right?
Yeah, they're just an inconvenience. That's all it is. First one I would say is just probably the biggest one that everyone complains about is the fact that the LEDs are almost impossible to find if you want to get them, because they come stock with halogens, and they're not good at halogens. They're terrible.
They're like anybody that
even factory is better.
Yeah,
well, and then a factory is usually always better than aftermarket sometimes.
Another thing too that I forgot when I did the installation video, make sure you guys get your headlights adjusted, because for some reason these don't come adjusted for the output. So just make sure to adjust them or take them to a dealer or someone that knows how to adjust headlights. The beams, they're a little bit off. That's something I forgot to touch on when I did the video, but letting you guys know now. But yeah, like he was stating, the light that it does come with is not good. There is LEDs you could purchase, which is what I did. but it does void the warranty. So just seriously know that it's going to void the warranty if you buy LEDs. I did it because I just said I need more light.
Yeah.
Honestly, and I love these things, so I don't want to go back to OEM, so that's why I did it. So yeah,
I'd say that's probably the biggest con overall. I mean,
that is one complaint that a lot of people email me on too, which is, I mean, I can't help it. Yeah, I wish they did come with LEDs, but it's not like I mean, you can find LEDs, just know it's gonna void it.
yeah.
So,
And then the coating over the headlight lens is
it's peeling a little bit.
away.
So another thing with this, yes, over time, I mean, I've had these for a little over a year now, I believe. It is peeling a little bit. I don't know if you can capture that on camera. One thing with this, I mean, it's something, it's gonna take longer for that to happen, yes. But even on these, if it does happen to yours, it's an easy fix. You literally just get some rubbing compound, take it off, or just do a whole headlight restoration, which is what they use, rubbing compound usually, polish with the machine. After that, you can go ahead and clear coat it. It's gonna be good as new, and it's gonna last a lot longer when you put the actual clear coat on it. So, I mean, that's something that, yeah, it sucks that you might have to deal with it if it happens to yours, but it's something that you could fix. So that's my thought on that.
And I'd say the last con is just the DRLs. They're not bright.
During the day, I give you that, yes. At night
okay.
They're good.
But during the day,
you can see where the LEDs are.
You can see, yeah, you can see each individual LED as it goes down the strip, and then it's just not bright. I'll give it to them. They are seem bright, but then, you know, at the same time, you know, that's at night.
Yeah. Another thing touching on that, like I was stating in the beginning of the video, they came out with brand new ones. I personally was told that they're better than these. So if you are gonna end up switching them out, might as well give those a shot. I haven't tried them out myself or seen them in person, so I can't state too much on that. So don't quote me on anything. I'm just saying from what I've heard, they're a little better, a little brighter. So if you want to go that route, I think they're like 50 or 100 bucks more than these anyway. So it's not a big difference. And I'm not 100% sure, but I think these are a little cheaper now, ever since those came out, if I'm not mistaken. If you want to check both of them, they're in the description box below. So, yeah. Wave?
No.
Oh, okay.
I would say another con that I don't like about them is the sequential turn signal. It's just me, like I have OCD slightly, and I hate how it comes down like to right here. Like, to me, that's just annoying. Why not either stop it right here so it's just this bar, or go all the way around? That's just me though. Like, to me, it's just pointless to come down and then come halfway down. To me, that's,
I don't remember. We have to look at that.
yeah, my personal opinion. I think it's stupid.
Yeah.
That's just me. I just don't like that.
I don't know.
That's just my OCD getting the best of me.
Yeah.
So if it does go down all the way, we're gonna have to cut that out.
Yeah, basically.
I'm pretty positive it only stops like right here.
I don't remember, so I can't quote.
I think it does.
I don't remember.
We'll check it.
We'll check it.
I think it does come down and stops like right here.
So my overall thought process on this, I mean, like I stated in the beginning, me to myself, I really love them. I'm not gonna go back to OEM. I like them. I can fix those little things. As far as my friend Chris over here, he has his own thoughts, like everybody else should have.
Yeah.
I can't blame them.
Everyone's entitled to their opinion.
So
don't judge me, Jesse.
I won't. It's just don't judge me because I love him.
But yeah.
Mattel, if you're watching this, I'm sorry for this guy. He's just weird.
Let's slow it down. I love Tacomabeast.
The sun's hot, guys. You know that?
All right, so overall, as I stated in the beginning, I love these things regardless. With those little flaws, they're fixable. If they weren't fixable, then I'd be pretty pissed, honestly, especially for the pricing that you pay. But they're fixable, so to me, it doesn't bother me at all. Yeah, let's see what Chris thinks.
Overall, I'd probably buy them still.
Yeah?
I didn't, but
you would.
if I really wanted to buy an aftermarket headlight, I would consider them. I would probably buy them.
I'd make you buy the new ones just so we have one and one. And
oh yeah, the newer ones.
Yeah, that way we can try. I hope this helps anybody out that does want to go ahead and buy them. We tried getting up close and personal. I hope those little clips that I threw in here and there helps out. If you still have questions on them, make sure to comment them down below, or you guys can always email me. My email is always in the description box. I'm going to conclude today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.